YouTube, I am at it again. I'll set up the scene before I get out the drone, but I am in a Robles Park Village. It's a housing development that it was developed in the 1950s, and around in 2019 they discovered that part of this housing was built on a cemetery. I think it was called Zion Cemetery, if I'm not mistaken. But of course they relocated their residency in that part, but now they're taking the whole thing down. And from what I read, it was in I think it was 32 acres as they started. As you can see, everything is boarded up here, and it's taking it down. So anyway, let me set the drone up and let's fly, hopefully. See what we can get. YouTube. Okay, I'm gonna launch the drone and I'm gonna give my camera to my cousin. Just hold it right on me like that. Yeah, you see me? There you go. Now we'll get up and fly the drone here. I'm just gonna go up. I'm over some power lines, but I just gotta maneuver my way in. Okay, let me put on my sunglasses and let's fly over here. I wanted to, there's nobody in here, so I wanted to kind of like get a low shot, and then we can go in the shade over here. And I can see the drone, but we're just gonna fly over here. But as you can see, from what I read, they started the demolition in September this year. So let's just look over here. And then I'll give you an overview of it. But yeah, lots of housing here. And there you can see where we at over here. So let's keep on going. It's a little windy today, but this drone should be able to handle it. And go up, go down a little, coming under this tree. I would hate to have to jump this fence and recover my drone. But I'm going to bring it back now. And then getting the warning. And then I'll go up and get an overview of it. So, good thing about this drone, I could take the camera up. So let's get on up. And we'll get a look of the whole area. I'll go in normal mode now. Now you can see how big this village is. And it's like two sides. We're kind of like in the middle, I think. So we'll just go over here and start over here. I seen this maybe like a couple of years ago, but I never did understood what really was going on. And then when I seen it on the news, and I came out here a couple of days ago, and I said, I really want to document this, so make sure this is, yeah, this is still part of it. I thought I passed it, but now you can see how large this thing is. And we'll turn around over here. Look at that. I think that's Interstate 275, if I'm not mistaken, or I-4. But and we can come down a little. Like I said, this is pretty empty. And we'll come back and get the other side. I'm gonna zoom in just a little. Now, supposedly, like I said, they started tearing these down in October of this year, or September of this year. As you can see, some of the debris and stuff. But I think they're giving it a year for everything to be demolished. Demolish. And let's fly over here. Yeah, this place is huge. And we'll keep on flying. This is the city of Tampa. We're not far from that in the background. It's a nice day today. I think I got an ND16 filter on the drone, so. But you guys seen Tampa before. Let's get back to this village. I may come out here again throughout the week if they have large equipment out here. Try and document that. Let's see here. This to me doesn't look, it may be, I don't know, like 32 acres. Maybe they lost a little bit throughout the years since it's been built. But yeah. Coming back over here again to where we are. And let me zoom out. I'm going to attempt to fly in here again on this other side. Let's see if I can bring the drone down a little. I see the drone. There's a bird up there near me, so hopefully he won't go chasing the drone. And there's the drone for you. See it? Okay. And so I'm going to bring it down, and then we'll fly. I'm going to back it up just a little. And then we'll fly over here kind of low on the ground. I'm going to go up just a little. Okay. Now we'll go up here. Let me go in scenic mode here. There's old street names. Avon. And I don't know why it's beeping. Let's go up. I'm not near anything, but the sensors we'll keep going here. Let me go up just a little. I don't think the drone wants to be that low. Set up 17 feet. Let's just take a look here. Let me zoom in. You can see it's boarded up. And let's continue. I can pick up some speed, I guess. Like I said, no one should be in here. It looks like it's a playground area here. Or what it used to be. Or no, maybe not. I don't know. Just monitor, the sun is kind of like directly on it. I don't have my shade on it today. But I know I could go up. As you can see here. The drone is sensing something, so we'll go up just a little. And 60 feet. And then I'll just bring it home, but just wanted to give you guys an idea of this area. One day I'm gonna let my cousin fly the drone. See if he got any skills. Let's fly over these here. And as you can see some more demolition. All right, we're gonna bring it home and go find some lunch. I'll catch it because there's so many wires over here, but there we are. But there I am, or we are. Let me find my drone here. It's not that far. Oh, there we are. And I'll wait till this car comes by. I'll just walk over here and retrieve it. That would be fun to, I think I'm going to try one more thing before I leave here. Come on down. Let's put it in normal mode. And I want to shoot down here kind of fast through this alley or this road here. And I'm just going to look at the drone and go. Let me make sure the camera's up before I do this. Okay. Let's see how fast we can go. All right, that's enough of that. We'll bring it back, and had to have some fun out here, so I'll bring it back, and I will see you guys on the next video. Come on. I won't hand catch it. I can land it on the ground. I got the cameraman here looking at us land, so. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next video.